Yes, sir.
Yes, good morning all. Uh, Today I will explain about how we can draw diagrams related to optical fiber. Okay, and in this I will show transverse section of optical fiber. Then there are different types of optical fiber with refractive index profile. Can you tell me what is the meaning of refractive index of profile? Anyone? Hello? Okay. Refractive index profile means what? It is the graphical behavior of a particular fiber, that is the uh, uh, refractive index versus size of fiber. Okay. And in optical fiber, dear student, data, your data or information, that data may be alphabets, numbers, alphanumeric data, then your steady pictures, motion film, your audio signal, video signal, or combination of any one of these. And that data is always when you are transferring propagation of your data takes place through optical fiber, that data is always in the form of pulses of light. कौन सा फॉर्म रहता है? लाइट फॉर्म. Okay, and speed of that data is approximately equal to the speed of light, that is 3 lakh kilometer per second, or 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Okay, so what are the main three parts of optical fiber? And are number one, a core, which is the central part of optical fiber. After that core, outermost part of core is referred to as cladding, and outermost part of this optical fiber is what sheet. And generally, size of core, cladding, or outermost part is measured in terms of yes, what is the unit of optical size of optical fiber? That is measured in micrometer. Understood? Yes or no, dear student? Anyone second? Yes. Okay. Now I will show how to draw diagram. Okay. I will take shape from this side. First, I will take, suppose, I will take one more. Can you view screen, dear student? Anyone second? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Superb, superb, nice. Okay. Now, and here I will, yes. Dear student, this is your central part is here. This I can write using, I will use color. This is your core. Is it correct, dear student? Hello, student. Hello, student. Anyone second? Yes. This is central part is core. Then this is
Yes, sir.
cladding, and this part, that is last part, is sheet. That is okay. And the size of this I will draw. एक मिनट dear student. Okay, this is your student optical fiber. Then take center part. I will show using black color, center of this, and then draw axis of optical fiber. Understood, students? Then draw axis. I will show axis using different color. This is axis. Okay. Then, dear student, then I will take like this. I will draw first diameter. Okay, देखो diameter कैसे draw करने का. I will take distance of 1 centimeter and then I will draw understood up to this level, and then join center of this optical fiber with the end points. That is the end points of diameter. Is it correct? Understood up to this level, dear student? And this is the diagram for acceptance angle. And this angle is, this is your theta A max. Okay. Yes. This is which part, dear student? Hello, student. This is core.
Core part.
This is cladding. ये कौन सा है? Cladding है. Okay. And here data will, this is axis. ये देखो dotted ये जो lines है ना, dots. This is your axis of optical fiber. So here I will write ये जो dotted lines है ना, dotted or dash lines. Okay. That is your axis of fiber. I will write here. A part है core part, and ये जो dotted है line, this is your axis. I will show like this. आपको स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है ना? हेलो स्टूडेंट.
Yes,
understood,
sir.
student up to this level? Yes. So yes, and this is, and then here I will write condition. What is the condition? If you want to propagate your data through optical fiber, so condition is N1 is always greater than N2. And what is the N1? N1 is refractive index of core, and N2 is refractive index of cladding. Understood up to this level, dear student? Can I proceed for next point? And this is about the acceptance angle. Okay. Hello student. And this is cone. ये जो part है ना, ये entire part is what? Cone. Understood? Hello student. Yes. Root of n equal to root of I will use root of n1 square minus n2 square. N1 is Ri of 4 and N2 Ri of cladding. Okay. Yes. Next part is yes. Now see. Yes. Next part is simple mode step index fiber. Now I will show how to draw. Can you draw this diagram? Hello students. First draw outer boundary, central boundary, then show axis of fiber. See here, dear student, this is light source. ये देखो, ये क्या है? Light source means your, what is the meaning of light source? That is your data. ये आपका क्या है? Data है. ये देखो, this is your data in light form. Okay, and will travel, will enter through this area and travel along the axis of fiber. Okay, and in this case there is only one mode, there is only one channel, and this is the which fashion? This is linear fashion. देखो straight line से pass हो रहा है. Yes or no? Hello student. Anyone say can? Yes. Now I will show how to draw this diagram. ये देखो, ये diagram draw करने के लिए पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा? And this diagram, this graph is known as refractive index profile. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Refractive index profile. And for this, dear student, first I will draw देखो एक ऐसे डायग्राम ड्रॉ करते हैं. फर्स्ट आई विल ड्रॉ एक कौन सा एक्सिस है, एक्स एक्सिस. देन आई विल ड्रॉ y axis. Then here x axis means what? Hello student, anyone? And unit is micrometer. Understood? Hello student. Hello. And y axis is refractive index. This is your refractive index. Okay, means for this first draw x axis, y axis with label size of optical fiber along x axis, ri along y axis. Then dear student, then I will take optical fiber. ये देखो, I will use different, yes, ये देखो. Can you view screen? Anyone say can? Yes. Then I will take.
Yes, sir.
छोटा sum I will take.
Yes, sir.
Yes. जितना छोटा है ना उतना I will take that. Okay. Yes. Red color what? Red color indicates which type of region? Anyone? Hello student.
Sir, core.
Yes. आपका जो red color है that is core and जो blue है that is your cladding. Okay. Then I will draw boundary. एक मिनट dear student. Then I will draw boundary. एक मिनट. I will pause this. Okay. First draw, dear student, first draw boundary of cladding. Then I will take, then draw boundary of, dear student, boundary of core part. Okay. And then, what is the relation between N1 and N2? N1 is always greater than N2. इसलिए here first I will use green color. देखो, here I will take N2 and here I will take N1. Okay, and for N2 I will draw boundary. ये देखो, for N1 I will draw boundary like this. ये देखो, I am showing how to draw this diagram. देखो कितना what are the steps, what are the procedure steps to draw diagram. ऐसा नहीं कुछ भी ये करना. First draw all this and then you can draw. Okay, now first I will draw which part? Cladding. Okay, and this is your core part. Okay, now see what is the single mode. This is the diagram for single mode. See, single mode step index. What is the diagram? Single mode step index. इसलिए see, for this case I will use, see, and therefore draw diagram like this. Just take only cladding part first and draw with slanted line. And this is which part, dear student? This is your cladding part. Understood? Hello student. Hello student. This is your cladding part and this is your core part. Now I will show core part and from this draw solid line. Your refractive index is increasing, again remain constant, and again there is sudden decrease. And this is your, hello student, this is your which part? Anyone? Hello student. Hello student. Core part. Superb, superb. And this is the procedural step to draw refractive index profile for single mode. And this is also known as refractive index profile. I will write here refractive index. Refractive index profile of single mode step index optical fiber. S for single, M for mode, again this for step index optical fiber. Understood? Short form of optical. A single mode step index optical fiber. See, a single mode step index optical fiber. Understood, dear student, up to this level? Hello student.
Yes, sir.
Yes, and this is the procedure to draw refractive index profile for single mode step index optical fiber. Next is, I will show how to draw for a. For this case, I think you can draw this diagram easily. I will show. I will. For this case, same. First draw outer part. Then, okay. Then draw inner part, that is core part. You can write here cladding with refractive index N2. This is your core N1, okay, and I will use the red color for light source. What is the light source, dear student? This is your data. Light source means data. Yes or no? Hello. And then these are the different signals like this. Suppose this is signal incident on here, then this will reflect it towards this side. Again reflection will take place at this interface, and lastly it will, this is the proportion of data. Then I will use one more different color for different channel like this. Then it will reflect it towards like this here, and again these are the, this is your data, okay, travels in which form? Zigzag fashion. Understood, dear student? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now I will show how to draw this profile. And for this, dear student, in this case, take always this size, take broader as compared to your previous single mode. Okay, इसका जो core size है is take always more than single mode, because this is multi-mode. तो multi-mode में जो core size है वो ज़्यादा रहेगा. And for this case, dear student, yes, what is the step? Yes, dear student, first draw. Yes, which axis? Anyone? X-axis is your size of optical fiber measured in micrometer. Then I will draw y-axis. Y-axis is the refractive index. Okay. Then I will use the green color. Sorry, blue color. I will take one circle. Then I will use okay. Then what is the next point? What is the next step, dear student? Draw boundary. ये देखो, suppose this is, I will draw boundary. Then I will use red color to draw boundary for cladding core interface. And now, then what is the next step, dear student? Then show value of N2, value of N1, and relation is N1 is greater than N2. Then I will draw boundary for N2 and boundary for N1. Okay. And then first draw cladding diagram. See. This is your cladding part. Okay. You can write here cladding. Both this. Okay. And then I will use red color. Then draw first cladding core interface, then straight line, because refractive index is constant or uniform throughout that region, core region, and again decreases from core to cladding. See, and then show with horizontal lines. See, what is the difference between previous refractive index profile and this? See, core size is broader, core size is more than single mode. Understood why? Because multi-mode, in case in multi-mode fiber, you can carry, you can transfer, you can propagate more data as compared to your single mode. इसलिए multi-mode का जो core size है, वो that should be maximum larger as compared to your single mode. Understood, dear students, up to this level? Hello, student.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And all these core size and cladding size measured in micrometer, and there is no unit for refractive index. Okay, only show size of optical fiber is about measured in micrometer. Okay, कितने minutes बाकी है? Hello student.
4 minutes बाकी है सर.
ठीक है, 4 minutes means 240 seconds आपके पास है. Yes, so last diagram is, yes, देखो. Then I will, this is what, which type? This is your multimode gradient index. In case of multimode gradient index, see, this is your data like a sine wave. Okay, or see, and for this case, how to draw this diagram? First draw, again I will draw boundary, then I will core, I will write here core with N1, and I will use black color for cladding. Yes, cladding, dear student, cladding with what? N2. Is it correct? Then I will show, this is your light source, means data. You can write light source or data. Or data. Okay. I will use yes. Then draw, dear student, axis. This is your axis of fiber. OF means axis of optical fiber. Otherwise, I will write here optical fiber. Okay. And see your fashion of your C. Just draw sine wave like this, and with arrow, see the. Similarly, I will take different color. Some data will transfer like this. Understood, dear student? Just touch. Understood up to this level? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, and now see the next part. And for this case, in this case, first, dear student, I will draw x-axis, size of optical fiber. Yes, what is the unit? Anyone? Hello, student.
Micrometer.
Superb. Then y-axis, that is refractive index. Then for this case here, dear student, I will take only cladding part. I will take cladding part, and then okay. And for this case, I will take 1 minute. Otherwise, only I will draw. Okay. And dear student, for this case, only take here 2 circle. Blue is for which part? Hello, student. Blue is your cladding, and this is your core part. And for this case, I will use see. I will show. What is the meaning of this? At the center, value of refractive index is maximum. Understood? This is your center. Understood? This entire part, dear student, this entire part is what? Cladding. ये देखो, ये पूरा part क्या है? Cladding है. And this is your this entire part is your core, and this is last outermost is cladding. Understood? Hello, student. ये देखो, ये आपका क्या है? Cladding. And this is your core. Understood, dear student? Up to this level. Then I will draw boundary. Boundary of what? Which part? Cladding. Then boundary of core. And then in this case, dear students, draw one more thing is what? Show this center. Understood up to this level? Hello. Hello, student.
Yes, sir.
Then same thing, N2, N1, draw boundary, draw N1, draw first cladding part, and for this, see, draw line up to this level, same here, and for this only draw like this, curve like this, and this is your refractive index profile for multimode gradient test. Understood up to this level, dear student? and again n1 is greater than n2. Thank you so much, dear all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.